When the coronavirus or COVID-19 was proclaimed a pandemic, companies across the globe shut down their offices and relocated their workers to remote jobs. Falling victim to this financial fallout has forced people to look for work elsewhere. Well, instead of waiting for the company to fully operate again, why don't you try to find an online job that suits your skills and interests? So, future billionaire, if you want to coast into the future with real skills that pay and don't want to waste time slacking off during the pandemic, check out these online jobs that you can do right at home at your own convenience. And make sure to watch till the end so you can make the most out of your time in quarantine. Without further ado, here are the 10 online jobs that you can do during the pandemic. Virtual assistant. For so many businesses operating mostly or even completely online, it's no wonder so many seek virtual assistants to help keep them informed and complete their administrative tasks. According to the International Virtual Assistants Association, these workers are private contractors who, from a remote location, typically their home or office, serve numerous clients in a range of industries through the provision of managerial, artistic, and technological services. While virtual assistant roles vary significantly, duties may include writing and reacting to emails, producing and circulating business-related documents, reacting to media and company requests, writing and producing material, and more. Check out virtual assistant positions on sites like Upwork.com and Zirtual.com. Although pay varies, virtual assistants typically range from $26,350 a year up to the highest number being $43,000 a year. However, what you receive depends on who you work with and the amount of competence you need for your everyday activities. Medical transcriptionist. While many medical transcriptionists work in hospitals or medical facilities, most are willing to operate at home, either at the time or location of their choice. As their duties include transcribing documented medical dictation, the device, desk, and earpiece are usually the only necessities after completing a post-secondary medical transcription program. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, medical transcriptionists are paid a national median income of $34,770 or $16.72 an hour in May of 2018. While many medical transcriptionists are self-employed, many find employment in their local hospital, veterinarian, community college, or technical school. Translator. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, most translators operate at home, mostly under strict deadlines. While some require a bachelor's degree, the most significant prerequisite for translators is, of course, fluency in at least 2 languages. The national median wage for this career amounted to $49,930 in 2018. Although the top percent of workers earned an average of $90,610. Check for translators' career listings on sites like Upwork.com. Web developer. It's pretty easy to create your own website if you take advantage of the many free learning resources available online. However, a substantial portion of the population is not ready to create their own site or has little time, which is why so many people make a living constructing websites and blogs for others. Much greater. The national median income for web developers was $69,430 in 2018, with the top 10% receiving an average of $124,480 a year. And you don't normally need an advanced degree to start working in this area. What you need is some post-secondary schooling, related expertise, and a portfolio of popular sites that you have developed and ran. Travel agent. While demand is expected to drop over the next decade, there are still prospects for travel agents who can use the internet to win clients and help them schedule their journeys. According to the BLS, the best career opportunities could be for travel agents who provide skills in some parts of the world, who have experience in arranging trips or activities, or who concentrate on community travel. About 11% of travel agents were self-employed in 2018. While the vast majority of the remainder worked in the travel arrangements and booking services sector. Travel agents are paid a national median income of $38,700 in 2018. A freelance writer. Now more than ever, writers are required to draft news stories, produce material, and come up with fresh ideas that fill the pages of virtually every website on the internet. And while many larger websites have in-house authors, an increasing number of websites outsource their content and employ freelance writers and content developers. Writing expertise is really useful, but what you really need to get started is motivation, determination, and the desire to find a unique twist on situations that happen every day. Places like Upwork.com, including Freelancer.com and Media Bistro, feature online freelancing jobs. You'll actually need a portfolio of good work to get recruited, or at least some writing skills that you can provide in your resume. Although writing fees vary depending on jobs and freelancers, many authors earn at least $150 per story, while some earn up to $1,500 per finished book. The BLS states that authors earned a median salary of $62,170 nationwide in 2018, while the top 10% of workers earned $121,670. Social Media Manager. About every big company has jumped on the social media bandwagon as a way to meet their clients effectively and without spending excessively for TV, print, or radio advertising. Yet not every big company has anyone to run their social media profiles, which is why more people have started selling themselves as social media managers, helping companies thrive and extend their presence online. While every little data is available for this home-based position since it is very recent, thousands of listings for social media managers can be found on platforms such as CareerBuilder.com, SimplyHire.com, and Upwork.com. If you have proven mastery of social media and a good follow-up, you may even be able to get started by messaging businesses directly and seeing if they need assistance. According to Glassdoor, social media managers earn an average of $50,473 a year. Data entry. A broad variety of firms require employees to input different data into their systems. Whether its data is used to manage inventory or orders, to build marketing strategies, or to calculate success or production. And while computer and keyboard skills are the most essential qualifications for this profession, many data entry employees are willing to work at home and on a schedule that suits their lives. According to the BLS, data entry employees are paid a national median income of $33,740 in 2018, while the top 10% were paid more than $48,010. Because many data entry positions are at-home positions, you will still find hundreds of data entry jobs on sites like Upwork.com, Freelancer.com, and SimplyHire.com, as well as dozens of others. Call center representative. Many firms need staff who can answer the phone at all times, service clients, and handle orders or deal with returns. However, as many companies are working online, an increasing majority of these positions are going to be offered to clients who operate at home. Being an at-home call center rep requires you to have a computer and maybe even a few special tools or facilities. Having a nice phone voice benefits you, as does some expertise with customer support, data processing, product operations, or management. Dozens of sites have job opportunities for call center staff, including Upwork.com, Freelancer.com, and SimplyHire.com. Although it's hard to determine the exact wages for call center employees who work at home, the BLS reports that these staff generally get a base wage of about $33,750 a year. Blogger. Becoming a blogger is unlike any other job at home, so you have to wake up and create it yourself. Worse still, the vast majority of blogs make $0 for years as they expand and become known. In that way, blogging is not a lot of work at all. However, there is a great deal of hope for writers who are willing to create an audience, expand their web, and find a way to monetize it and start earning an income. A number of ways that bloggers make money are by promotional advertisements, supported content, Google AdSense, and merchandise sales. According to Glassdoor, existing bloggers are earning $32,934 a year. Even better, running a blog can be a cheap way to launch your own company, with domains costing an average of $12 a year and web hosting costing as little as $7.99 a month. So, future billionaires, you have various online jobs to choose from. Which of these jobs piqued your interest? Let us know by leaving a comment below. And because you're still here, we got some bonus info for you guys. You might be really enthusiastic to start your preferred online job by now. But before anything else, these are the things you need to do to have a smooth sailing work from home activity. 1. Sign up for an account in any online job platform. 2nd, completely fill out your profile. 3rd, draft an awesome cover letter. 4th, start looking for online jobs. 5th, open a PayPal account. 6. Prepare for interviews. 7. Play the waiting game. 8. Download all necessary tools and software. 9. Start working. 10. Work for as many clients or employers as you can. Thanks for watching, Future Billionaire. Enjoyed what you saw? Deposit a like, and be sure to join the Future Billionaires Club by hitting subscribe and ringing the notification bell to keep up to date with our entertaining uploads. And check out these other amazing videos we've selected for you next.